What are the two meanings of this? Up till here we had done. Na? What are the two meanings?
The two meanings were that his teacher said you can't pass the examinations, and the second one is you can't break the jail now.
Yes. Okay. But what was the answer given by Evans?
That he may surprise everyone.
I say
Yes, he's going to surprise everyone. Okay.
everyone.
Yes. So at 8:30, okay, put the date there. Beta, hurry up, put the date. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, at 8:30 the following morning. What is the following morning? The next morning, okay? Evans had a visitor, two visitors in fact. He tucked his grubby. Grubby is what? Dirty. And tucking is pushing inside. I just tell the boys to tuck in the shirt, isn't it? To put inside, to push inside. So he tucked his grubby string vest into his equally grubby trousers. Okay. So he pushed his dirty string vest into his dirty trousers and stood up from his bunk. Bunk is what? What is a bunk there in the prison? In the lockups? What is a bunk? Yes, Mahek?
Ma'am, platform.
It is a kind of a platform, it is a, maybe we can say it is a cemented platform, a narrow bed that is used, okay? That is in other words, you can say it is a narrow bed, okay? Attached to the wall, a cemented one, okay? That is used by these prisoners for sitting and especially for sleeping and all. So he stood up from his bunk and smiling cheerfully, "Morning, Mr. Jackson. This is indeed an honor." Right? Now, who had come? Jackson had come, and Jackson was a very senior officer. Jackson was the senior officer on D Wing. Underline it. Hurry up. And he and Evans had already become warm enemies. At Jackson's side stood Officer Stephens, a burly, Shirley looking. Burly Shirley means large and strong man, and Shirley means somewhat bad tempered. Burly is strong and large, okay? And Shirley is bad tempered. Looking man, only recently recruited, means appointed to the profession. Sorry. Now see, two of the visitors had come, and who were those visitors? They were Jackson, who was a very senior officer. Sumit, you are late today. Who was a very senior officer, and uh, with him was
Sorry, ma'am.
Stevens, who was a newly appointed officer. Okay, and he was strong and large looking and bad tempered too. Jackson nodded curtly. Curtly means briefly. He nodded. And how's a little Einstein this morning? Now he used to call this man. This man means Evans. What? Einstein. Okay. इतना आ गया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
And I ask about his well-being and on. Okay. So now, and how's a little Einstein this morning? Wasn't he a mathematician, Mr. Jackson? I think he was a Jew. Okay. Now he asked him about his well-being and calls Evans Einstein. Now Evans also replied in a similar way by pointing him that Einstein was a mathematician, and then he says that he thought he was a Jew. Okay. Now see, Evans had not shaved. Evans' face was unshaven, and he wore a filthy again, I would say dirty looking red and white bobble hat upon his head. Underlined.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a chance, Mr. Jackson. I was just going to shave when you burst in, okay? And he says, just give me a chance. Means give me some time. I was just going to shave myself when you entered my cell. Which reminds me, Jackson turned his eyes on Stephens. Make sure you take his razor out of the cell when he has finished scrapping that ugly mug of his. Okay. Now, Jackson, he turns to Stephen and he says that be sure to take out the razor, okay, out of the cell when he finished his shaving, okay, when he finishes up doing his shaving. One of these days, he will do us all a favor and cut his bloody throat. Okay. And these days means when there are chances of him to escape, means to run away. Why? Because he's going to appear in the exam and he might take, okay, advantage of the opportunity to get these days, he's going to do us a favor. Kya favor karega? He can cut his bloody throat. Clear? Scrapping you
Yes,
might,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
removing. Now, for a few seconds, Ewan looked thoughtfully at the man standing ramrod. Ramrod is what? Straight. Okay. In front of him, a string of Second World War medals proudly paraded over his left breast pocket. Mr. Jackson, was it you who took my nail scissors away? Evans had always worried about his hands. Now see what happens. When he says this, for a few seconds, even, he was looking very thoughtfully and looking at the man who was standing there in a very rigid manner, who was standing, Mr. Jackson. So he looked at Mr. Jackson and he was standing just in front of him, and a string of Second World War medals that he had won, they were all, okay, put on his left breast pocket पे लगे हुए थे सारे medals. Mr. Jackson then Evans asked him, was it you who took my nail scissors away? Okay, it was you. He wanted to confirm that whether you have taken my nail scissors. Evans had always worried about his hands. And your nail file too. Okay, or वो कहते हैं, of course, your nail filer also I have taken. Look, for a moment, Evans' eyes smoldered. Smoldered, you got it? What is, burnt with anger,
Impressed.
glowed with anger. Smoldered, write down, glowed with anger. है ना, एकदम गुस्से से आंखें बिल्कुल लाल हो गई, became red with anger. But Jackson was ready for him. Orders of the governor Evans, he leaned forward and leered, his voice dropping to a harsh, contemptuous whisper. You want to complain? Now see, look, he became very angry. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आया किसको? Evans को. When he says, of course, I have taken your nail filer and nail scissors too. So while saying, look, his eyes, they became red with anger. But before he could speak anything more, Jackson says it was the orders of the governor. Okay. And he leaned forward, he bent forward and leered his voice. Leering means, okay, leered means just watch at him, stared at him. His voice dropping to a harsh, contemptuous whisper, and his voice, it turned into a very harsh, somewhat rough and contemptuous, is disliking, disrespectful. Whispering, whispering is soft sound. धीरे से उसकी तरफ झुककर कहते, you want to complain, you want to complain, complain करना चाहते. Even shrugged his shoulders lightly. The crisis was over. Okay, even he just shrugged his shoulders. He just moved his shoulders a little bit. His anger, it disappeared as soon as he came to know that it was the order of the governor. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, you have got half an hour to smarten yourself up, Evans, and take that bloody hat off. Now what happens? Jackson, he says to Evans that you have got half an hour to smarten, means to just do shave and everything. And and he asked him to take that bloody hat off. Okay, bloody means the dirty bobble head he was wearing. Okay, कहता है इसको उतार देना. Me, Evans put his right hand lovingly on top of the filthy woolen and smiled at me. Okay, me that, you know. Now he was not in the mood of taking off his bobble hat. Okay. Why you will come to know later on. Just now I'll not disclose why. Okay. लेकिन वो मना कर देता है. Got it? और अपने filthy जो dirty woolen hat होती है ना उस पर वो हाथ रख लेता है and he says, do you know, Mr. Jackson, it's the only thing that ever brought me any sort of luck in life. Kind of lucky charm, if you know what I mean. And today I thought, well, with me exam and all that. Okay. And he says, Mr. Jackson, now this had always been very lucky to me. Okay. It's a kind of a lucky charm that this hat has brought. It has always been lucky. And today also, please, means he's just pleading him not to ask him to take off his bubble hat. Why? Today he's going to appear in the exam. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Want
Yes,
me to
ma'am.
explain anything again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Buried somewhere in Jackson was a tiny core of compassion. Okay. Joe Jackson, he looked very rough and tough from outside, but internally he was soft. He was kind-hearted. Okay. Compassion means he had some feelings, kind feelings. And Evans knew it, or Evans ko malum tha. Please wait. I'm having a sore throat. Now see, just this once, then Shirley Temple. Who was Shirley Temple? An actress, you know, that was famous for wavy hair. Likh lo. An actress famous for wavy hair. Wavy, you got it?
Curly.
Curly. Like Kangana, na, the actress, she has wavy hair. Na? Similarly. Okay, write down an actress famous for her wavy hair. Okay, just this once, then Shirley Temple. Now see, Jackson, you know, he used to tease Evans also, okay? And he teased him by calling him Shirley Temple. Okay? If there was one thing that Evans genuinely loathed means hated about Evans, it was his long wavy hair and get shaven. Okay, अब एक ही चीज जिससे जैक्सन को नफरत थी बेटा वो थे इवेंट्स के वेवी हेयर. ओके, बड़े लंबे से घुंघराले बाल, उसको बड़ी चिढ़ थी उससे. एंड देन उसको कहता है गेट शेव. At 8:45 the same morning, the Reverend Strott McLary, underline. Reverend is somebody who's respected, a member of the church. Reverend, write down a member of the church. Okay, so 8:45 pe same morning, the Reverend Strott McLary left his bachelor's flat in Broad Street. Underline it, Broad Street. Where he was living, he had his flat in Broad Street. And stepped out briskly towards Carfax. Okay, Carfax is a place. तो क्या होता है 8:45 the same morning, जो Reverend Strott McLary, who was McLary?
Invigilator.
McLary. Yes.
Churchman.
Churchman, the invigilator, yes, who had been appointed as the invigilator, right?
Yes,
he left his bachelor's flat in Broad Street and he just came out. He did a brisk walk and he just came out and he was moving towards Carfax. The weatherman reported temperatures considerably below the normal for early June and a long black overcoat and shallow crowned clerical hat provided welcome protection for the steady drizzle. Steady is the continuous drizzling of water. Okay, continuous raining, which had set in half an hour earlier and which now spattered. Spattered means sprinkled the thick lenses of his spectacles. Now see beta, what happens 8:45 morning, McLary, he left his flat that was in Broad Street. He moved towards Carfax. अब जो वेदरमैन था उसने टेम्परेचर्स जो नॉर्मली होते हैं है ना, वो उसने रिपोर्ट करे थे कि दे आर कंसिडरेबली बिलो द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर एंड ही वाज वेयरिंग अ लॉन्ग ब्लैक ओवरकोट, शैलो है ना, क्राउन क्लरिकल हैट जो था वो उसने पहना हुआ था. And he was just moving forward, and as he was moving the steady drizzling had started. Okay, the raindrops, you know, it had started, the rain had started coming down, and those है ना, drizzling, you know, it was spattering, it was sprinkling, okay, on his thick lenses of the spectacles. ठीक है, बारिश आ रही थी और वो हल्की फुल्की जो बारिश की फुहारें आ रही थी वो उसके spectacles पर गिर रही थी. In his right hand he was carrying a small brown suitcase which contained all that he would need for his morning duties. Okay, right hand में he was having a small brown suitcase थी उसके पास, जिसमें उसके सारे मॉर्निंग ड्यूटीज में जो भी जरूरत थी, दैट वाज देयर, इंक्लूडिंग अंडरलाइन a sealed question paper envelope, a yellow invigilation form, special authentication, क्या होता है कंफर्म करने के लिए, ओके, confirmation card from the examination board, a paper knife, a Bible. He was to speak to the Women's Guild that afternoon on the Book of Ruth, and a current copy of the Church Times. Done it? Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The 2-hour examination was scheduled to start at 9:15 a.m. Underline it. It was about to begin at 9:15 a.m. फटाफट अंडरलाइन करो. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Evans was lathering his face. Lathering, you got it? He was shaving, and lathering is, you know, to make foam. Foam, what is foam? Chalk बना रहा था, okay, with the soap. And he was lathering his face, means he was shaving vigorously when Stephens, he brought in 2 small square tables. Now the sitting arrangement, it was done, and set them opposite each other in the narrow space between the bunk on the one side and on the other side a distempered stone wall. Okay, one side there in the cell, the bunk was there, okay, that was attached, a platform that was attached to the wall, and the other side a very distempered wall was there. So unke beech mein laake he just keeps the tables opposite to each other, okay, facing each other.
Ma'am,
What happened? Yes, Akshay.
ma'am, why one makes shave on his face?
Why?
Why one makes shave on his face?
Making shave nahi, he was doing. He was shaving, removing the beard and all. अरे शेव कर रहा था वो.
Ma'am, shave.
Akshat,
Yes, ma'am, getting.
you got it? He was about to appear in the exam,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
he has to be very neat and clean, and okay, he cannot appear with a long beard and with shabby looks, dirty looks, you know. Okay, he had to tidy himself. अपने आप को साफ करना है ना, तो lathering होता है. He was using the soap, okay, that made foam. Foam होता है झाग, है ना, झाग से वो रब कर रहा था ना अपने चीक्स को, अपने इसको चिन और चीक्स वगैरह को जहाँ बियर्ड थी. तो ही वाज जस्ट लेथरिंग विगरसली, है ना, फटाफट वो रगड़ रहा था वो झाग, है ना, जो सोप यूज कर रहा था ना उसने, टू शेव हिमसेल्फ. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
How do people they shave with the razor? Okay, you might have seen your papa or uncle or grandfather shave करते हैं ना razor से.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फिर वैसे ही वो कर रहा था और उसी समय क्या होता है, Stephen he brings in two tables and then he places those two tables opposite to each other. Got it? Next, Stephens brought in two hard chairs. और उसके बाद क्या लेकर आया? Two chairs लेकर आया, the slightly less battered, of which he placed in front of the table, which stood near the cell door. Okay, battered होती है थोड़ी सी पुरानी टाइप, हल्की बहुत worn out. Okay, तो वो लेकर आया और वो उसने place कर दी near the cell door. Jackson put in a brief final appearance. Behave yourself, lady. Okay. Now Jackson, he comes and he just tells him that to behave properly. Why? Because he was a prisoner and वैसे भी 2-3 बार वो पहले ही भाग चुका है, तो उन लोगों को बड़ा उससे डर था. Okay. And these Jackson pointed to the pinups of. Okay. And Jackson, the posters that were there on the wall. Okay, Jackson he just points and asks him to remove all those dirty posters. ठीक है, समझ आया? वापस समझाऊं?
No, ma'am.
Everybody is silent. समझ आ गया बेटा? क्यों?
Yes, ma'am.
See, he was shaving himself उस समय. Stephen he brings two tables and two chairs and places them opposite to each other, right? The similar manner we are there in the class, na, the teachers, they are always opposite to the students, and they face the students, right?
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन तुम तो सब बल्क में होते, बहुत सारे बच्चे होते, इसलिए बहुत सारी होती है. सपोज 2 of them are there, तो क्या होगा? इन्विजिलेटर की सामने होगी और उसके सामने किसकी होगी? कैंडिडेट हु इज अपीयरिंग इन द एग्जाम. तो सिमिलरली इट वाज प्लेस्ड, और उसी समय जैक्सन जो है उसको वार्न करता है ना, टू बिहेव इन अ बेटर वे. और उसको फिर कहता है कि some dirty posters, they were there on the wall, and he asked him to remove those posters. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And now stop it here only. He went, turned and nodded again. We are going to do it tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow. It's 9:30. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Right?
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. God
Ma'am.
bless you all. God bless you, beta.